This kid's art desk includes a raised shelf, vertical storage bins, and large desktop workspace for little artists to create masterpieces. Little artists can't wait to unleash their creativity at their very own art desk station. Just pull up the chair, turn on the desk light, and get started. The Art Studio desktop includes a white board for dry erase markers, and can also be used as a smooth surface to roll out paper for drawing and painting. Exploring art helps kids express themselves and engage their imagination. Just watch what they'll create with this Art Studio set. Top reviews from the United States. My 8-year-old can still use this table. We got this for my kids about 3 years ago and it's a great art table. It's super easy to put together. I put it together myself and it took me about 20 minutes. The whole thing is very sturdy and has taken abuse for like I said 3 years and it still looks great. Nothing is breaking and my kids can still use it. They are 7 and 8 and you can see they still have plenty of leg room. The chair holds their weight perfectly and they think it's comfortable. The table is easy to clean unless you use suncatcher paint, then it stains, but my kids still love it and use it daily. Everything on it is useful but the light there is really no point of it. It's really dim and a waste of batteries. It really only lights up the top piece of the desk and not even very brightly. As for everything else, there is a lot of storage space and more than enough room for kids' art supplies.